Ow! Come on. Don't do that. This will wake the beans up. It'll wake them up. Oh Jesus, they popped! Oh, there it is. I haven't got a big enough thing. Yes, I know. It's panic. Panic station. Yes. Oh, look at that. Well. It has been a very long time, but we are back for Cooking with Dan. Yes, we are. And today we've got every day is a special day whenever we're doing Cooking with Dan, isn't it? But today we are doing a cheese and bacon toastie. There are our ingredients: butter, cheese. I thought we had grated cheese, but we don't. We've got slices, but we can work with that. Lovely bacon. A Hovis. Did I say we've got the flora buttery as well? Lovely stuff. But let's get into it. So, as normal, we're going to trigger everybody by putting a ton of oil in the pan for the bacon. There you go. See, that's enough. And you know what? I'm only cooking one slice. Oh, great stuff. I will get back to you with the magic of editing when the pan has heated up. Right, so the pan appears to be heated up. I'm on the other side of the kitchen. Open the windows so that it doesn't do smelly stuffs, but you know what, we'll do two instead because I was only joking. We'll do 2 bits. There we go. There's that done. And there's that done. So I'll get back to you when the bacon is cooked. So it appears the bacon is cooked. So we are going to just transfer over. Oh, hello. To the board. Here. There we go. And then we're going to just. Oh no, that's dripping a bit. Well, let it drip a bit there. Pop that on there. And then pop that on there. Lovely stuff. Now we're going to need our big knife of doom here. I'm going to put, let's just rearrange the camera. Is that alright? That could be alright. Or it might not be. Yeah, that's alright. Right, so you get your bacon and we're simply going to chop it into slices like this. It's still hot, so ow, that is hurting, but as you can see, just nice slices like so. There we go, something like that, or a long bit like that. And if you wanted to, you could cut that down even more by just doing that, and then you've got loads of little pieces. But we're going to do it like that, and buttersy bread. So actually I'm doing this all upside down, aren't I? But it doesn't matter. Right, there's the bread. Butter. Lovely bit of butter. Everybody loves butter, and if you don't, then that's alright. New year, it's alright if you don't like things. But you're a bit weird. Just a bit. Right, there's the butter spreaded. Now, this is where we have our cheese problem, because we don't have grated cheese. So we are simply, we're not just going to plop a slice on like that, we're just going to break bits, break a few bits off like that. There we go. Doesn't matter how big they are really, because it's all going to melt into one. But then you're probably going, oh, why did you just put it all in one slice then? It looks like it's all going on the same bit. Well, if you want to put it all in one slice, then you can do that. But if you don't, then you can do it like this, or you can just be someone who's clever and not get this cheese and get the grated cheese, but that doesn't matter because I think that looks like a lovely art piece there. Look at that. You see that? Wow. That is art. Food art. But let's get our bacon back into play here. And just sprinkle a bit on there. There we go. Nice bit of the bacon. Lovely, lovely. Like so. That's on there. And then pop the lid on. Like so. And then I'll just transfer it onto there and we'll save that plate for when we eat it. I'm going to cut it into two now. Like so. There we go. Now if you wanted to, you could probably just eat it like that now, but we're putting it in the oven. Now for this, we are not using our friend Mr. Kitchen foil, but we are using some non-grease baking paper thing, because it's better with this, because it's going to get rather greasy. So just put it on there, like so. And I would use the grill, or most of you probably go, oh, why don't you put it in the grill? Well, the grill's broken and it's useless and it doesn't work and it stinks the house out and it does all that rubbish. So we're just going to stick it in the oven. I've had it on preheated at 200 degrees, so it just does the same job basically. So we're going to do that. Yeah, we'll just pop it in the oven now, shall we? Yeah, there we go. And then into the oven, I would say. There we go. I would say about five to maybe 10 minutes, something like that. We'll see. We'll keep an eye on it and I'll let you know how long it was. Whilst we're waiting, we may as well have a lovely bit of this Tropicana Smooth Orange with no bits. So here we go. There it is. There it is. Oh, there we go. A little bit there. And I hope you like today's hat of choice, sponsored by my mum. So, cheers, guys. That's lovely. Let's get back to the cooking. Right, guys. So I've given it the magic poke after about 5 to 8 minutes, and hey presto, it is done. Look at this. There we go. Well, I think it might be a little bit overdone, but if we have a look, it's nice and toasty. Let's just open it up. Oh yes, you can see the bacon in there, the cheese, nice. And then obviously the other one. I think this one had a bit more in it. There we go. Yeah, a bit more bacon in it, but yeah, there we go. And for you guys, a special treat. I'm going to give it a try. Right guys, so the moment of truth. Is it any good? Now at this point you can add sauces if you want, you can add whatever you want. But I'm just going to eat it plain like this. I have to break it to my teeth. There we go. Let's break it up anyway. Oh yes. Right, ready. That is bloody lovely. Oh, that is really nice. So, you guys want to make this for yourself? Mmm. 100% recommend. So, if you want more of this, road to 50 and 100 is on in subscribers. So make sure you leave a like, share with your mates, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.